Do you want to make this awesome side scroll animation in just PowerPoint? Well, if you want to, then hear me out. So what you want to do is that you want to insert a slide and you want to delete all the text boxes, or just go over here and click blank, blank, like this, and you're done. Next, you need your objects. Get whatever your objects are. I am using rectangle, so this will be a rectangle. Also make sure that the object shape is a perfect rectangle, not a rounded one. That won't look very good. Now zoom out, like a lot, like 10% zoom. Now copy paste it multiple times outside of your PowerPoint, like the slide. I'm going to do 4. You can do as many objects as you have. Now, next you must select all of your objects. Right click, go to group and group them together. Then go to animations, go down, select lines and select left option from effect options. Now this is the tricky part. When I click over here, like this, we're going to drag it, okay? We're going to drag the animation. It's really hard, and I can't get it like first try. Yes, you can see the thing is moving. Yes, like this. And I want to drag it all the way. Look, the other side. The last object is out of the slide, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to insert, go to insert, and get a oval, kind of like this. Yeah, that's this good. Copy paste it, move it down. Next, select both of them, go to shape outline to no outline, shape fill, and select white. And boom, you can get stuff like this. Now it is really fast, so what you want to do, you're going to go in animations, and I'm going to increase the duration to whatever you want. Let's do it 10 seconds. And boom, you are done. Subscribe for more tutorials.